In this video, we will learn how to download and install Prolog. Let's begin by installing the Prolog first. So for that, we have to download it first. So let's download it. To download the latest version of Prolog, you need to go to this link, and I'm going to put this link down in the description below as well, so that you can go to this link easily. Okay, now since we are installing Prolog on Windows, so these are the two options that you are looking for. So if your Windows is 64-bit, this is your link. If your Windows is 32-bit, this is your link. Since my Windows is 64-bit, I'm going to click on this link. Okay, once you've done that, you will see this checkbox here. Check it for I understand, and this download link will be visible. Click it and your download will begin. So just keep it and your download will start. Now my Prolog has successfully downloaded. You can see this is the version 8.2.3. This is the latest version as of now. Now let's install it. For that, we will double click it. And if this window appears, you can go in the more info section and run anyway. Okay, now this wizard will come and you have to press next. Here I just press I agree, and now this depends upon your usage, if you wanna add the path of Prolog to your system path or not. So for now we don't need it, so I'm not gonna add the path. I'm just gonna press next. This is the location, just press next and again next. So if you don't want to create shortcuts, you can check this button, right? I'm gonna check it anyway. Press next, and it requires 40 MB of space, and you can just install it. So click install and your installation will begin. So my installation has completed. Press finish. Let's open Prolog now. And in case you can't find it anywhere, you can't find it in the start menu or anywhere else, in that case you can go to program files. You go to your C folder, go inside program files, and here you will find this folder SWIPL. Double click this folder, and here you have to go inside the bin folder. Don't click on this icon, click on the bin folder, and here scroll down, you will find this file SWIPL -win. Double click this file and your Prolog will start. So on successful installation, this is the window that you are supposed to see. Let's write a hello world program in it. So to write a hello world program, you will write WRITE, right? And then you can write hello world and close it in quotation marks. And at the end of each command in Prolog, you write full stop. So the command ends with full stop. Press enter and that is displayed. Let's write two lines at one time. So you have to write right and let's say hello world and close it. So let's write the next line, the other line in next line. So for that we will write comma NL for new line, again comma, and let's write the another statement. So let's say let's do some programming in Prolog and then full stop to end it. Press enter and that is displayed on the Prolog console. So this was just displaying a string. Now let's make a knowledge base in Prolog and then compile the knowledge base, and let's see, and we will also write a query. So let's do the whole thing. We will write a knowledge base, we will compile it, and then we will write a query to see how it works. So let's create a new file to write our knowledge base in it. For that, click on file and go to new, and this will appear. You can save it in whichever location you want. I'm going to save it here. Let's name it as knowledge name our knowledge base as knowledge base. You can change this name, you can write it whatever you want. Press save and a new file will appear. This is the file. This is our knowledge base. Let's write some facts in it. So let's say weather of which city should we take? Okay, let's say the weather of Dubai is hot in summers. Weather of Dubai is hot in summers. Press full stop because this is our fact. So we always end it with a full stop. And in the next line, let's write another fact. Weather of let's take the same city. Weather of Dubai is warm in winters. Sorry, warm in winters. This is our second fact. Let's add a third fact too. So the weather of let's say Sharjah let's add a third fact. So the weather of let's say Sharjah is cold in winters. So these are the three facts that we have saved in our knowledge base. Let's compile this knowledge base now. For that, first of all, you have to save it. Press Ctrl S and it will be saved. You can see the modified sign that was here before has gone. For example, if I've modified it now, so you can see this sign here. Press Ctrl S and this is saved. Let's compile this knowledge base. Now to compile our knowledge base, first of all, we have to go to that directory. Let's see what is our current working directory. For that, you can use this command pwd full stop. Press enter. You can see this is your current working directory. Well, we saved our knowledge base somewhere else. So to change our working directory, we can write working underscore directory and bracket, and then you will write cwd change working directory, comma, and here we will write our new location, right? So first of all, let's get that new location. That is this location. So I'm gonna write it here. There is one more thing. We have to change the order of slashes. They should be /. And then close it with round brackets and full stop. Press enter. So the new working directory now is, let's see the path, pwd is equals to, this is our new working directory. So this is exactly where our knowledge base is saved, this here, right? This is the name of our knowledge base. Now let's compile our knowledge base, and the command for that is square brackets, write down the name of your file. The name of our file was knowledge base, and then enclose it in square brackets and full stop. Press enter, and this here says true. If it doesn't say true and there are some error lines, that means your knowledge base is not compiled successfully. If it is showing true here, it means your knowledge base is successfully compiled. Now we can write some queries from this particular knowledge base. Let's do that. So this is the knowledge base that we just compiled. Let's write some query and get result from this knowledge base. Right, okay, let's say weather of which city. So city right now is a variable, and I told you in my previous video that variable in Prolog start with capital letters. So you can see a capital letter in this variable, in this word city, that this means it is a variable. We'll get an answer for this particular variable. So we are asking it which city is, let's say, hot irrespective of the season. Right, so you can see I have written underscore here. That means I'm telling it to ignore the second variable. Second variable was, second argument actually, sorry, not variable. Second argument was the season. So we are ignoring the season and we are just asking it which city is hot irrespective of the season. And we can see in our knowledge base, there is just one city which is hot, and that is Dubai. So let's run this and see what is the output. So since city was the variable, we have received an answer for this variable. So the city is Dubai, which is correct. There is just one city in our knowledge base. So this is how you write your knowledge base. This is how you change your working directory, and then you compile your knowledge base this way, and this is how you run queries. So this is how it all works.